Next concept is source shifting. We have discussed a source transformation. Now we will discuss a source shifting here. It is needed in many cases. This concept is needed to reduce the network in most of the cases. I will write here. Consider two registers RA and RB. Across these two registers, the current source I is connected here. Using a source shifting property, its equivalent a circuit can be written in another form. It can also be written in another form. So using source shifting property, I can say that these two circuits are one another same. These two circuits are one another same. So I do give a justification here. This is the node where current I is entering. This is the node where current I is leaving. This is the node, say current I1 is entering and same current I2 is leaving. We have considered the four nodes here: node 1, node 2, and node 3. I repeat, at node 1, current I is entering. At node 2, current I is leaving. And I considered the one more current I1. So I1 current is entering to this node number 3, and I2 current is leaving the node 3. All right. Then do you say that the same thing is happening to this network? Say node 1 where current I is coming, node 2 current I is leaving. At this node current I1 is entering, I2 is entering, I is entering, I is leaving. Because of the same current is entering and leaving, so that here existence of this I, effect of I at this node is null here. It can be neglected because magnitude is same, it is entering and leaving, so that they do cancel each other. As a result, these two circuits, you can say that they are one another same. So this source shifting is needed in most of the cases to reduce the circuit into its simplest form. Have you understood this concept? The source shifting. It is a concept converting a form of network into another form without affecting its nature. Okay, it is simple concept. Source shifting, it is a technique to convert a complex network into a simple network without disturbing its actual nature. Good. So I do tell you the one more concept here. I mean, using one more example, RA, RB, RC. This is current. Okay. So using a source shifting concept, redraw its equivalent circuit. Hopefully, where current I is entering to this, from this node, current I is leaving. All right. Do the modification to this network such that the same I current should leave this node and sorry, the current I should enter this node and current I should leave this node. That should not be disturbed here. So what I will do, RA, RB, RC. Instead of this, I do right here and RC. Now current I is leaving, current I is leaving, current I is leaving. Then do you say that these two circuits are one and the same? So cross verify this. This is the node where current I is. This is the node where current I is leaving. Yeah, it is there. This is the node where current I is entering. All these are currents I. Here, that I current is not available at this node. So instead of saying this, I current is entering and same I current is leaving. They are one and the same. Here the zero current, the net current is zero here. There is no effect of the current I because the same current is entering, the same current is leaving. So that there is no effect of the current I at this node. Similarly, at this node, the current I is entering, the same current I is leaving. At this node, there is no effect of the current I because same current is entering, same current is leaving. So it is called as source shifting concept. Source shifting concept.